Hey folks, this is Harajat. Welcome back to Graphixia. In today's video, we'll see how we can create a blur effect around a moving or a sprinting object in an image so that it really creates a sense that the object is moving very fast or sprinting without the use of motion blur. So without any further ado, let's move into the video, let's move into the screen. So now I have opened Photoshop and I have taken an image from pexels.com, and this image has a person who is sprinting, but as you can see the background is blurred, but it doesn't have any of the effect that shows that this person is sprinting or moving very fast. So let's add it to this. In order to do this, select the layer and make a duplicate of this either by pressing Ctrl J or dragging it to the new layer option. Once two layers are created, select the layer that is in the bottom and also make sure the visibility of the top layer is turned off. Now once that's done, go to any of the object selection tool and select the subject in this image. Once you feel like the subject is selected, right click on it with the object selection tool selected and press delete and fill selection. Now we can see that the background has been created with the subject removed completely without any flows. Turn on the visibility of the first layer and select it. Now select the remove background from the quick action panel. Turn off the visibility of the lower layer to see what has really happened. Now as you can see, the background has been removed, but you can zoom in for a proper detailing and you can see that there is some flows. You can select the upper layer, use the erase tool to make a clear cut division of that. Once you feel like it's done to go, then select the bottom layer, go to filters, select blur gallery and path blur. The path blur gives an option to create a sense of speeding for the objects which you have selected. So for example, we have selected the background in this and you can see as we create the path blur, the objects seem to be moving to that direction. We'll create two more paths. One is this and the other is this. And once you feel like the paths have been created and if you want a bit more speed, go to the right side blur tool and increase the speed and play with it so you can see how the blur actually works. I think 60 will be fine. So 60 will be fine for this. 60 will be fine for this. And can press OK. We'll wait for the computer to finish the work and see this is how we add the blur effect to objects around a speeding object or a sprinting object without using motion blur. So I hope this video helped you. For more tutorials and for more contents like this, feel free to subscribe Graphixia and stay tuned. See you in the next video.